Hey guys, it's Donovan at Wilkins Harley-Davidson. I'm excited to talk to you about this 2015 V-Rod Muscle. VRSCF is the model designator. A fun fact, the V-Rod came out in 2002 and was in production through model year 2017. So this is a 2015, 2 years left before they stopped making these. Another fun fact, Porsche actually helped design the frame and overall chassis. These are hydroform bends in this frame, over 200 hydroform bends in this V-Rod frame itself. They're liquid cooled, 60-degree V-twin revolution style motor, overhead cams. Another cool little fact about V-Rods, the fuel tank's actually under your seat. This is actually the air box on this model. It is a 5-speed and a lot of fun. They're about 120 horse to the rear wheel in the stock configuration. This particular bike, Wilkins has put well over $1,000 into it during the dyno certification. We found the ABS module to be faulty, so we replaced that. We did a 1K service, nitrogen in the tires, ran over all the critical fasteners per our usual specifications, and flushed the brake fluid as well. This model here, it has 1,800 miles. This color, the VRSCF 2015 here in front of us, is called Black Quartz. Very, very beautiful metallic in there. Another couple fun facts about the V-Rod. They come from the factory here with an LED turn signal built into the mirror stem. Kind of cool. Dual front disc, inverted front forks, a very sport-oriented model. This particular one has some Bassani slip-ons. Those sound really nice. Nice rumble to them, but not obnoxiously loud. Give us a call. I would love to show you this bike in person or stop down at the shop. The phone number here is 802-476-6104. Again, Donovan at Wilkins Harley-Davidson, 2015 V-Rod Muscle in Black Quartz.